You're learning Python functions and you hit something weird. You write a function that prints. It works? Great. You write a function that returns. It also works. Great. Then you try to actually use the result, and one of them mysteriously breaks. Why? The fix is one mental model. Don't think of a function as code. Think of it as a machine, a box. Inputs go in, and the box has two completely different ways to send things out. Two output channels. Once you see them as separate, the whole confusion disappears. The first output channel is the one you've been using, print. Picture a small screen attached to the side of the box. When the function calls print, that screen lights up with text. The screen is for humans. You read it. But here's the part beginners miss. The rest of your program does not see what's on the screen. Other code can't reach in and read it. Print is a window into the box, not a way out of the box. The second output channel is return. Picture a wire coming out of the box. When the function returns a value, that value flows along the wire, and you can plug the wire into anything. You can store it in a variable. You can pass it into another function. You can do math with it. The wire connects this box to the rest of your program. Return is how a function gives a value back to the world. Now the classic beginner trap. You write a function called double, and inside it you print x times 2. You call it, you see 10. It looks correct. Then you do, result equals double of 5. Then you print result. You expect to see 10 again. Instead you see none. What happened? The screen lit up with 10. That's what print did. But the wire? The wire was never connected. There's no return statement, so the wire carries the value none. You grabbed the wire, not the screen. The wire is empty. Same function, two versions. The print version, screen shows, hello Ada. Wire carries none. The return version, screen stays dark. Wire carries, hello Ada. If you don't store the wire, the return version looks like it does nothing, because the value comes out the wire, and if you don't plug the wire in, it's just lost. That's why your working function suddenly seems broken when you try to actually use it. You were watching the screen the whole time. The wire is what your program sees. So here's the mental rule. Stick this on a sticky note. Print is for humans. It's a window. Useful for debugging, useful for output you want to read. Return is for the program. It's a wire, what flows into the next computation. And one quiet detail, a Python function with no return statement still returns something. It returns none, silently. That's the source of most of your wait, why is this none moments.